Okay, next we are going to look a little bit in more detail creating, articles or web pages. And there's an extension that is used for this, and it's called the JCE. It's a really fantastic uh, a tool to use to, to edit your content. Now, if you go on, let me just open this Joomla page up. If you look at this editor right now, you're very limited in terms of what you can do. The functionalities, you don't have much to work with here. So the reason for the JCE is going to give you more Microsoft Word type of functionalities. So if you don't really know coding much or don't use this type of system much, then it's very difficult for you to be able to use this editor, which is the default Joomla. So what you want to do is you want to go to Joomla Content Editor.net. So the website is Joomla Content Editor.net, and it's going to bring you to this page. This is the JCE, and you want to download. It asks for a version that you want to use. The version that we're working on is the 2.5. So you click on the 2.5. Okay, this is the latest one here. And you click on download. Okay. I'm sorry, you click on the second one because this first one is a whole bunch of stuff there. So you click on the second one, which is the zip file. And you click on save. Okay, you have to find someone with a computer to save it. And I have a spot for it, so I'm just going to save that. Okay, download completed. And then you want to go over to your Joomla admin. You can just close that out for now. You want to go to extensions. Now, this is where you upload things to the website, just like the FTP, where you need an FTP to upload this Joomla site. You need an extension manager to upload new extensions. And extensions pretty much they help you to enrich your website. The core Joomla site as it is, there are a lot of features that are not there in terms of adding some more color to your website or doing some more stuff with it. Which, as you can see with the Joomla, the editor right now is not the best. It's horrible. So to improve on that, we use what's called extensions. So you go to Extension Manager, you click on it, and you see Package File. You click on Browse, and it opens up. You have to locate where you have the file that you downloaded. So, JCE. Okay. Double click on it. Now it's going to put it in a spot to complete the process. You have to click Upload and Install. So give it a few seconds to upload. Okay. You should get this message in blue. Installation installing component was successful, and it gives you all the details there. Now, if you go back here, you still see that nothing has changed yet. So to show this new editor that you downloaded to use it, you have to go to Site, Global Configurations. Click on it. Okay. Now from here, the current editor that you're using is this one, the Tiny MCE, which you don't want this. You want the new one. So you click on it, you click on the drop down, you get the editor JCE. So you click on the JCE, and then you click Save and Close. Okay. And then you go back to, now I can right click and reload to upload the new content, the new editor, but I'm not going to do that because I want you to see side by side the difference. So you go to content. What I've done is just open up another browser. Um, you go to content and you go to article manager. You should still have this Joomla one here. So it's locked right now with this padlock on it because it's open in a different browser. So you can pick anyone, doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna click on this next one. Okay. The new editor will have should be in place. Do you see the difference? This is the new editor we just installed, and this is the current one that Joomla has. You know, it's just like night and day. With this one, it's so much more easier for you, and that's why it's just a great editor, and I use this for. This is one of the first things that I install on every Joomla website that I work on, mainly because creating content is a majority of what's done on the website. So the first component that I install is the JCE. Before anything else, I'll make sure that I have that JCE component installed. So this pretty much the main difference. And